So if you're someone who's looking for a teleprompter solution but don't want to spend any money, or maybe you just need it as a one-off because you want to present something or record it in audio, then today I'm going to share a very simple and free solution to your teleprompter woes. Now, this solution offers all the features you'd expect of a high-end teleprompter, but it's freely available on the web. I'm talking about the CuePrompter software that is 100% free online teleprompter, where all you have to do is copy and paste some text into this window and choose the prompter, and then you can adjust your speeds and everything like that. I'm just going to grab a poem here, and we're going to copy and paste to select all and then paste this into this area here. Now, once I've done that, I click Start Teleprompter. Now, what you can see here is I have a number of options along the top of the screen, including speed. I have a margin size that I can change. I can also change the text size, and I can change the adjustment, left aligned or centered. And I can even go mirrored vertically, and I can change background color and or text color. So this is something that is really useful to use, and all I have to do is press play, and that's going to start to allow me to read at the pace that I'm comfortable with. I can increase or decrease the speed at which this goes, and that makes life so much easier when you're coming to narrate here. This would make life so much easier for just about anyone who needs to narrate anything. So if this is something that you found useful, make sure you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if it's something you think you'd use. And also, don't forget, if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be advised when new content that I share is uploaded. I'd love for you to become part of my Modern Media Maker community, where I help people like you improve your content creation. With that, take care, and I'll catch you in a future video.